Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And as you guys know, I have switched from iPhone to Android. But in my workspace, I have done that quite oppositely. I have switched from PC to Mac. Now, you might be thinking, as we all know, there are several features that only works with MacBook to iPhone. Within only Apple's ecosystem. And Apple doesn't allow those features on Android phones. So am I missing out on these features, and how I transfer all of my files from MacBook to Android, Android to MacBook, how I use them together? So yes, that's completely true that iPhone works the best with MacBook because the Apple ecosystem. But if you really want to use your Android phone with your MacBook, there are several workarounds. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use my Android with MacBook and I transfer files and do all those things seamlessly. So let's get started. Since iMessage is exclusive to Apple devices, I use an app called Texty on my MacBook. This allows me to receive and send all my Android text messages directly from my MacBook. For my notes, reminders and calendar, I rely on Google services. Google Keep is my go-to for note-taking, and Google Calendar keeps all my schedules in sync. The best part, these services work across Android, iOS and macOS, so I can access my files, calendars and reminders from anywhere without any compatibility issue on any devices. For cloud storage, I use Google Drive instead of iCloud, and it has its perks. Google Drive works on every device, whether it's an Android, iOS or macOS. Also, the free version of iCloud is limited to just 5 GB, whereas Google Drive's free version offers 15 GB of storage. So for me, it's a win-win situation. Now, one of the biggest perks of Apple ecosystem is AirDrop. But since that doesn't work with Android, I use an app called NearDrop. This is identical with your AirDrop experience. This lets me share my files between my Android and MacBook quickly and wirelessly. It works pretty much seamlessly, making my file transfer as easy as possible. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you have anything, any question, suggestion, recommendation or anything, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-ra.